Sure. What day is it?
6.
Day 6. Got the drone back. Let's get building.
Joshua Bardwell, and you're going to learn something today. Hello, beginners.
My phone's going to be filthy. Oh yeah, I think I've still got my whole source of my speakers. But it's a bit red.
Correctly. So, if you already know how to do that, I'll see you tomorrow.
Well, no one cares about your intro.
Leading edge, the prop will always spin towards the leading edge. So this prop is intended to spin this direction. It is a clockwise prop. And we got another prop. It'll spin towards the leading edge. It's a counterclockwise prop. It's easy to see. This guy, a little hard to see the leading edge because it's so tiny, but this is a clockwise prop. This is
one spins this way.
Clockwise.
Here's the leading edge.
Yeah.
Toward the leading edge.
We know clocks. Yay!
That means the air's gonna go
Clockwise.
down.
Well, yeah, down in that way.
So up.
We go up, yeah.
So as long as it spins clockwise after I've folded it up, we're all good.
Yeah.
Hopefully the motor spins clockwise.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to test that, but
Previously.
yeah. Oh,
Is that...
is that what those are for?
Oh, that's where those rings came from. Ah, that makes sense actually.
Oh, you put the rings inside of it.
It's not that. Because our one didn't fit at all. So that explains where those are used.
Does that mean this is meant to be a snug fit?
Probably. So...
Creaks so much.
Oh, props.
Mine's on.
Yeah. You know what? That's really well balanced.
It's a lot more better balance.
Like, am I wrong?
It is slightly tail heavy.
Yeah, but like, look at that.
It's slightly tail heavy, but not really.
Yeah. Oh.
I think I just punched the side of this. Who knew that cutting the wire, stripping the wire for the EDF would be the hardest part? So now what we need is we're running at least 2 batteries.
Mm-hmm.
Or we're going to run 3 at a time. 2 at a time.
Should we do some power calculations or what?
Yeah, well, I don't know the power. I don't know the power rate in all the stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what the power is. Hang on, yeah, hang on. We can do.
I mean,
What were the batteries?
oh, should I ask how to use power rating on this motor?
No, I don't really need that.
Or just...
I think there's something else we need. This is 100 Cs, 100 coulombs. What's the max voltage rating? It should be fine. Lick it.
I ain't touching nothing. That thing might be charged up.
Can I do it again? It's fuck.
Yay!
I should do the responsible thing and
I'm going from battery.
unplug it from the battery before trying to get everything in. It might have helped me slightly, but I don't think it would have done.
No, I wouldn't have done anything to help you, just like fly up and down.
I was like, oh, it's going up too quickly. Oh, we're going down. I'll go up a bit. Oh, we're going up too quickly. Quick, go down. Oh no, we're going down too quickly. I'll hit the ground. Connected. And then this one. Oh, so might have blown up. That's really, really hot. Lovely. There's the plus side done. Now for minus, same thing. Connect these two together. Connect them into here. Job done. Flight controller, I guess. Flight controller. Here we go. What sort of connectors on this? Male, female? It's not at all connected. Can you connect down, please? There we go. There's a blob of solder on top of the battery connector. I'm like, excuse me. Oh, I could have heat shrink this one. There's just so much metal. There's so much metal here that it just like absorbs all the heat. Next connection's gonna have to go like underneath or something.
I stole these. Perfect to have you that porcupine.
Look at us, we've got like a sea urchin or something.
Come on, smile with your handwork.
I think I've got to get all of it.
Perfect.
Yep, the sea urchin, that is the power distribution unit for us. It's great. Still a few more soldering bits to do. Which one was for the thingamabob? Which one's the shortest cable? That one.
Okay, this one 15.38. What was the max?
14.8.
Ah,
It's fully charged.
Rover.
Apparently, somehow we have an overcharged battery that we didn't charge. Electrical tape, I might have a hope. You got any electrical tape?
The orange.
No, I have electrical tape at home, like actual electrical tape. I'll put actual electrical tape on it when I go home. Because it's not very safe as it is. Now, which bit was I using? Not that bit, not that bit. I'm gonna
leave it as is because it shouldn't affect it.
We could test the EDF right now.
Should we? Turn on really slowly then.
I want it.
Kind of the same because then we can find out if we find it wrong now or not later. Fun.
Alright, so we just tested the EDF. I don't know if that was actually cool on camera because the camera ran out of battery, but now we're going to test this propeller because why not? See if it's run the wrong way before we start soldering stuff up. The EDF is back. Yay. So, just go down here. This propeller will spin. We could have easily fried something with the amount of spark come up. Oh my god. This thing.
Okay.
It's that.
Turn the batteries off.
Disconnect that battery. It's welded itself to that solder.
That's not good.
So we had a bit of an electrical fire, and now our solder wire's melted through half the rod. Half the wire's been melted through, which is not great, but the one thing I forgot about was solder conducts. And now it stinks in here.
You reckon that's what protect, like, stopped it, or?
Yeah, so now this solder, half of it's junk, but you know.
Melt it. Is this on, or?
No, it's off.
Ah.
Unless we can find a way to surgically reattach.
Hey Google, how do you reattach the antenna to the receiver?
I don't know why you're asking. Like, I know what I've got to do.
Solder it.
Yeah. That's the problem. Now we're gonna fix the EDF connector. We're just gonna go like this one and this one. I'm gonna snip them and flip them, and then we'll be done. Hopefully. That's the plan. Snip them and flip them. About here. Snip. Through that. I was just standing on some wires down there, it's all good.
Not my fault.
Yeah, you can use that. Go again. That's drawing air in. I'm lifting it up. Okay. Go a bit higher.
Why the hell was that jump so big?
What?
That increase in volume was 7%.
This is a lot.
That's very good. 37%.
Turn it off.
Is there a difference?
There's quite a big difference in that. You go to 50%.
50.
I go slowly up.
Can I use arrow keys?
No.
No, that's
Go up slowly and then start. Go up to like 25%. And now up the side.
I'm looking to see it lift up.
Yeah, and then up.
That got to at 58 there.
You could see that lift up off the front.
Yeah.
That was starting to take off at 50% throttle.
Well, that got to 58.
58%, and that was visibly off the ground.
Why does that like jam though? Like, is it because I dragged it up the side or something?
I don't know. Yeah, EDF definitely. And has it moved in its... Oh, hang on. No, it hasn't moved. That's where it was before, I think. I'm hoping anyway.
Okay. Lower.
If it's moved down, then maybe I have to put some glue on it. It looks like it might have gone down. But...
Should we do it again just to check?
Do it again, yeah. Oh, look at the distance down. That didn't move.
None?
No. That stayed where it was. I can push back up if you want.
Should we push it up just to be sure the feature?
Yeah. Hang on, I'm not pushing that up with that connected.
Very good point.
We're disconnecting. That one.
Battery as well.
The beeper, where the beeper go?
Oh. Ooh. That looks so nice. Mac and cheese.
How are you meant to
Something about mac and cheese.
How are you meant to eat that?
Yeah. And then it should go at the top.
How are you meant to eat that?
That bacon and that looks so nice.
And then they put mac and cheese on it. Like, who wants pasta in their burger? Come on.
Oh, where can I get one?
These typical Americans. Mac and cheese go on everything. Here's where I'm gonna get zapped. It's only like 14 volts, so it can't be that bad.
Mm-hmm. Just gave out. There you go, that's tight.
Mm-hmm. It's connected, so it should, in theory. That's the fix I'm going for. Turn it out. That is not spinning.
So it's either the motor's dead or
The electronic speaker that I just bought is dead.
Could be the solder's like in the wrong spot.
It might be in here, but I doubt it. This bit's definitely fine.
Yeah, I mean earlier we were testing it as well. It wasn't quite working.
No idea. Hello?
Hello, what's the problem?
So we've wired up our ESC and to a motor, and we've got power to it, and we're trying to test it on iNav, and we turn up the throttle and it just doesn't work. Nothing happens. And it's happened twice. With two different ESCs and two different motors.
Right, hold up, how is your iNav getting power?
From the same battery that's powering the motor.
Right, so that's, okay. So I'm assuming what you did is you wired the power wires for the battery into the iNav PCB? Is that what you did? Like there's like a power distribution?
No. we've connected all the wires in that big star you showed you earlier.
Oh fuck. Okay. Right.
And then we've connected everything from there. The EDF works. We tested that earlier,
Alright.
and that one just works, plugged into that spaghetti mess.
Right. I really don't know what's happening in spaghetti mess. What I'll recommend is make sure that your ESC and your INAF shares at least one common ground wire.
Yeah, I actually. Which colour is normally ground?
Pardon?
Which colour is normally ground?
Black.
Brown, red, or yellow?
Brown. Brown. Yeah, it would be brown.
Okay, well that's what we had. It didn't work.
Right. Do you do a 3-pin thing? Do you do like the 3-pin plugged into?
Yeah, we got the 3-pin plugged into the same like the 3 pins that we used to fly the test plane.
Oh right.
And those same 3 pins worked when I plugged in the EDF.
Oh, so it just didn't work for those 2 ESCs in particular.
Yeah, and their motors. So I'm wondering if I need to switch them around, which I'm trying. Like just switch around the connectors between the motors and the ESC.
No, that doesn't do anything. That just like changes the direction of the spin.
Oh, well it's already cut now, so.
It's fine. Yeah, you can try that. Probably, it's not a problem.
Probably not. But.
When you plug a battery in, does it have like a sound like da?
Actually, no, it makes no sound.
It makes no sound.
Does that mean it's getting no power?
Yeah, because like even if it's not getting any signal from the iNav, it should still make the first 3 beeps like da.
Hang on, I'll plug it back in.
That if it has the first beep, that only happens if you already have the motor wired up to the ESC.
Oh, okay, I'll plug it in. That one's wired up though. Yeah, it should. The other one didn't make any beeps whatsoever.
Right, so is one of them making beeps and the other one's not? Or
Neither of them are making beeps, but one of them's not fully wired. So.
Oh, right. Yeah,
that means I need
just
to
connect
power.
the 3 pins to the motor and then just power up the ESC and see what happens. Nothing else.
I have what? Yeah. Let me see. I need to disconnect them from there. I'm gonna disconnect that, and then I'm gonna disconnect the ESC from the big mess of cable in here, and then see if I can put it into there. Hold up, 1 second. Snip that off of there, and then snip that off of there.
Have you guys been working on it today?
Pardon?
How long have you guys been working on it today?
4 hours at the moment.
Alright, okay.
What we've got to show for it is the EDF is wired up, works, and is in the right way round. Like it spins the right way.
Nice.
It was lifting up the plane slightly off the table on its own at about 50% throttle.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
If I just stuck these 2 wires straight into the end of the battery, is that bad?
Yes, very bad.
So you're saying don't do that?
Yeah, don't do that.
Oh, okay. I'll stick it in here. I'll stick it.
Do some wiring, put it in XT60, please.
Yeah. That wasn't good. Something wasn't happy. It was fine before when I plugged it into that connector.
Where's shaking?
I don't know, he went off, something was making a noise. I think the cat knocked something off or something or other.
Alright.
Minus is that side? Or some...
Nice, back to Poland. Is he not back to Poland?
Not yet.
Not yet.
He goes back to Poland tomorrow.
Why?
He's got to get stuff and ID.
Sure.
What's that? That's exactly what I'm looking for. So I got that, and I got this. and then I've got minus. Should probably actually put that on properly. And then that's plus. Oh yeah, we kind of turned our soldering iron and these batteries into a welder. I mean, not soldering irons, just solder.
What are you doing again?
We turned the solder into a welder, and the solder melted itself. Yeah, I get no beep. I've
It's working normally though. Can you solder normally with it?
Yeah. I've literally just wired a battery straight into the ESC and no sound at all.
Yeah, there are two possible explanations.
I can change battery.
When your battery is dead, which is very bad, two, your ESC is dead.
There's no beeps coming out of that. So there's an issue with this, or there's either issue with the motor, issue with this solder joint, because these two are fine, I've literally just done them.
Yeah.
These two solder joints, these two solder joints, these two solder joints, that solder joint, this motor, or that ESC.
Well, okay, I reckon we can rule out them because that mess looks to be working fine.
It was working for the flight control and everything else. So we're rolling out the mesh.
Should we do this?
I mean,
it's not even on that good.
that will
So you
just
could easily take it
kind of
off.
fall off. Is it good? How well is it in there? That looks fine.
You reckon?
That looks perfectly fine.
Did you hot glue it on?
Did I glue on this? No, I don't think I put hot glue on this one. On one of them I
On
did.
this one?
On one of them there's hot glue. Like that one over there, there's hot glue. Oh, that's not moving. So it's either these two joints, which is quite likely considering
I mean, that doesn't look great.
it's that joint. It's that joint there.
It is this.
It's that red one. Yeah, it's that red joint. That works. We figured out the problem. Hooray! Diagnoses.
You got your piece of paper prepped?
I got a bit of this.
What the fuck? So why is it not going down?
That's a tiny bit. And down. Turn it off.
It's 60% it's off. Should I turn it down to 0 or try?
Turn it down.
What the fuck is up with that? No, I'll try again.
Yeah. Go down. What?
I think they were very confused. I'm really confused. Is he spinning the other way?
Wait, hang on. Yeah, hang on. Go down.
He is. You can see it like when it.
Yeah, it's this way. And then it goes both ways.
Wait, hold on. 60% is like off.
Yeah.
Around 60%, like two. Call Hanny up. Ask him what the fuck. What did he give us? These motors.
Yeah. Right, testing the motors for our VTOL drone here. Look, we're in INAV. We're testing them, but the propeller is off on this one that we're testing. 59% if it focuses. That's the percentage of the throttle. It is not spinning. There is no spinning. Now if Jacob turns it up a bit, it starts spinning really fast, clockwise. Turn it clockwise? No, that was the anti-clockwise. Spinning that way.
Yeah, now if I turn it down.
And if you turn it down, you can see, take it down below a bit, it goes clockwise. Very fast clockwise.
And this is 0.
Look, this is 0% throttle, and we're here spinning really, really fast. Excuse me, what? Motors.
before calling Kelly, should we test the same thing on this one to see if it does exactly the same thing?
I already messaged him saying, what have you given us?
You sure you sorted this one up now?
You were like, oh, would I be disappointed if I like, how would I feel if it's round the wrong way?
Well, we got both.
Well, it can't be round the wrong way. It just can't.
We got both.
Okay, that's one.
Ready?
Sure.
The bolt's not going to go flying with it.
It's all quite tight.
That means it's not. What's Kelly giving us?
Or what are these ESCs?
It's either the ESCs or what has he given us?
Go down. Go down. Go up. Which way does that spin?
That's clockwise.
Oh,
And
right.
anti-clockwise. And that's clockwise.
They both spin the right way, no?
They're in went higher, they're in both. Yeah, they spin the right way. If we want like both in, we go up, and if we want both out, then we go down.
That's so random.
Mm.
I would try to test it, but it won't really arm it because twitches and stuff I got to deal with.
How would one fix?
I don't know how like that's not the. This is a problem I expected to have. Was that a 0% throttle? My motor spins at its fastest rate. Oh, what's that one doing?
Huh?
That one's just not beeping at me.
It's not even connected in, is it? Well, kinda.
Musical motor.
Half of the motor is the thing is that. If we soldered on another port, could we have two going at once?
Why splitter?
Could we not just have two, and then because it comes motor one, motor two now?
But that thing only realised it has that one right now. I think it only has one motor.
Oh, it's the model. Or
Yeah.
I swear I think it has two because it's got two things.
It's got two. Oh, it's got two motors.
Yeah. I can't move
We
it
probably
like
could
that.
tell it to have two motors, but yeah.
Stupid, I know.
Why is it this small? Ting Yung, bro, you've got a bi-directional ESC. What have you bought?
Ask him if he wants to trade.
Is there a way I can make it
One direction.
single directional?
And why does the bi-direction only happen at 60?
I'm not going to start touching that with all this stuff plugged in still.
More soldering.
Bro, chill!
No, you say the dough was rubbish, but like the pizza was amazing.
Alright. Day whatever this is. Peace.